In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Meet with GoHighLevel. By the end, your appointments booked through GoHighLevel will automatically include Google Meet links, making it easy for you and your clients to join with a single click. First, open your GoHighLevel dashboard and head to Calendars on the left sidebar. This is the central place where scheduling tools and conferencing options live. Once you're in, go to Calendar Settings. Think of this as the control room for how your calendars behave and what they connect to. Next, move into the Connections area. Connections is where you link outside services, like Google, so GoHighLevel can create meeting links directly inside your appointments. Inside Connections, choose Video Conferencing. This narrows your options to tools specifically designed to generate meeting rooms for scheduled events. Now click Add New. You're starting a fresh connection that will allow GoHighLevel to create Google Meet links. From here, select Connect Google Calendar. In GoHighLevel, Google Meet is enabled through your Google Calendar connection. There's no separate Meet button, so this is the correct choice. When the Google Sign-In window appears, pick the Google account you use for your professional calendar. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them temporarily so the sign-in can complete. Grant the requested permissions, including managing calendars. These permissions are necessary so GoHighLevel can automatically create and attach Meet links to new bookings. After authorizing, you'll be taken back to GoHighLevel, where you should see Google listed under Video Conferencing with a connected status. If it still shows as pending, give the page a quick refresh and confirm you're signed into the correct Google account in your browser. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you manage multiple calendars within the same Google account, make sure the right calendar is set as your booking destination inside your calendar settings, so the Meet links land where you expect. If you ever change which Google account you use, disconnect the old one in the same Connections area, then repeat this process with the new account to avoid confusion. And remember, the permissions you accepted are what let GoHighLevel generate. Meet rooms. If you limit those permissions, links may not appear. From now on, any new appointment you create through your GoHighLevel calendars can include a Google Meet link automatically in the event details and notifications, saving you time and preventing manual copy-paste steps. That's it. You've connected Google Meet with GoHighLevel through Google Calendar, and your scheduling flow is now streamlined and ready to go.